Oh, come on.
Heading to United States Postal Service. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened. For any questions, press the call support button to speak with a rider support agent.
Alright, hey everyone. So this is the first new content in a while. I've been kind of coasting on all the footage I collected in one weekend in LA in November. But today it was raining pretty hard, at least by SF standards. So as in hard enough for the city to start passing out sandbags for free. So I figured it's time to take another ride. It is...
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
The rain has kind of slowed down significantly since I hailed. But you know, we'll hopefully it picks up again. Otherwise, should get some interesting wet roads and other types of scenarios. The other interesting thing, maybe mildly interesting, is that there's maybe like surge pricing or high demand or a shortage of cars or something. And in fact, this car has been recalled to the depot, so I won't be able to edit the destination or anything. And on the kind of dash, it says there's 48 miles, so I would guess it's for battery reasons. Before we get started, I wanted to mention my new Patreon page. Early access members get to see select video content before it's published. Thank you for your support. Now, on with the show. We just had a reroute as well. I think it was meant to turn right out of the parking lot, so I guess I'll get some bonus content or extra time for free. Past that left turner. Nice. Okay. Good. Zooming along. Spray in that turn. No worries.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
So we got a Zoox here. I picked this narrow alley. I guess it's not that narrow, just to have something interesting. I was going to delete the destination, but now it doesn't let me change any destinations.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Cool. That's our first pullover. like this route it's chosen. It's pretty different from the one that was shown when I hailed. But yeah, this route I think ends up being a lot less interesting. But I can't change it, so we're really going with the flow tonight. Got another Zoox Toyota up ahead with a light bar. It seems like most of them have light bars these days. I think for a while they were kind of a mix of the old and new test vehicles, but now I rarely see the janky, like the old test vehicles, the janky ones with wires all over the place. I feel like I rarely see those on the street. Oh, there's an ambulance on. Shit. Okay. Alright, good. We saw it in time. Oh, this is a weird trajectory. Okay, Zoox. What are you doing, Zoox? I wonder if maybe the Zoox pulled over and now this is like doing a little pull out. Oh no, it's changing lanes maybe? Okay, the weird thing about that ambulance is that even from the back seat here, which is like slightly behind the sensors on the roof, I could see the like I could directly observe the ambulance. And even then, Waymo was like still kind of starting to go at the green light. Waymo is fairly consistently slowing down to 15 when it's passing like double parked or suspiciously parked vehicles, which in that case back there it doesn't seem super necessary. Like there's no oncoming cars for a long way, so the car could just nudge more into the oncoming lane and you know, not suddenly stop or like have some very quick deceleration to 15 and then very quick back up to like the full 25 or 22 or whatever we're doing tonight.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
Oh wow, that's a lot of spray. Okay. If there's someone on the sidewalk, they would be completely drenched by now. But yeah, impressive that Waymo can just plow through without having like any false positive detections on the spray. So I think I just got back my ability to update destinations. Oh no, I can't. Alright, so we're locked into this route. That's an interesting pullover.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
I wonder how we're gonna get out, because there's now like a soft hit post on the front left corner of the car. I guess only one way to find out, which is by continuing the trip.